Hey guys, it's Al with techmadeezy, and I'm here with the new Ego Dethatcher. This is a 56-volt cordless dethatcher. It uses the same batteries for all Ego tools. Now, when you get this, by the way, it comes with this cartridge, and an optional cartridge is going to be the Scarifier. Very, very different. Now, when you need to change your tines, which is what these guys are, when they wear out or they break, well, I'm going to show you how to install a new tine, which is not hard at all, but I'll show you that in this video. I'll also show you how to change cartridges underneath there. So how do I switch from the dethatcher to the Scarifier? And that's what this video is going to be all about. So let's go ahead and check this out. Now guys, I want to make you aware of a couple of videos we did. We did an unboxing and a close look with a small demo on the Ego Dethatcher, and that is the image right there. And then we just recently did a demonstration of the Scarifier blade versus this blade. That was really interesting to see some of the results. I also learned a little bit, and I was able to cover what these are pretty much made for. Now, this second video you see on the left-hand corner, I'm going to put a link in the video description right down below if you want to check it out. You'll learn a lot more as I go through a demo. But let's continue on. We're going to go ahead now and talk about how do we change the tines. And then after that, we'll cover how do we change the cartridges. So we're going to start off, obviously, removing and installing tines. These are the new ones right here, by the way. Now I want you to see something real quick on this guy. So if we look at the way these are installed, you can see that, right? Because that's how it's going to grab the debris from your grass. So I want you to look at this, because this is actually, obviously it out. Now there are 3 slots. 1, 2, right, for the tines themselves, and there's another slot down here. Now that's actually for this piece. You see this piece here. So just want to make you aware, because I'm going to do the best I can on camera to take one out and put one in. It's not that bad. It's really not that bad. So, but 1, 2, and 3. Again, 1 slot, 2, and 3. So just keep it in mind, but let's go ahead and do this. So I'm going to zoom in now, and we're going to focus on this guy right here. Don't forget the slot on the side. So what we're going to do now is we're going to push these up, and we are going to slide them out. That's step number 1. You see that? We push them up, we slide them out. Now I'm going to be pushing while I am pulling. I'm going to take my finger and just kind of move this out little by little. That's all. The spring itself is actually helping me. And there it is. That was in slot 1, and these guys were in the other slot. So not bad. Now how do we take a new one and install it, a brand new one? We want to make sure that we are obviously installing it in the right direction. As you can see, we want that direction. So we're going to initially put this in what we call the corner slot. You see that little slot there? Except we're doing it here. So we're going to put that in that corner slot initially, while we push up on these guys. A little tricky, but not too bad. You almost get one in first, and then when you get one in, you're going to slide these over. Now at least the back slot is filled, and now it's a matter of pushing these over. And look at that. It's installed, no issues. You now have a brand new tine, just in case these wear out or they break. I'm going to show you real quick from a side view, mainly because I want you to see how this goes in. It takes a little finagling. All right, so we're going to lock our focus. I'm going to start off just putting this in a little bit, just this piece. I'm not going to put it in the slot yet. I'm just going to put it right there. While it's there, I'm going to take this side and I am actually going to bend it up so I get that piece that shows. See the back piece? Now there's a slot that I want to get that into. Now I'm going to basically slide, I'm going to hold this pin and slide this. Now as I'm sliding, you see the back one's going in. So that's it. The back one is now in. All I need to do now is basically slide over, pull this one, push this in, and then the tines will actually go into their own slots. 1, 2. I am now done, as you can see, and we were able to get it in to the back slot and the front slots. Next up is, how do you uninstall a cartridge? And let's say you went out and you bought the Scarifier cartridge, right? Well, as you can see, the Scarifier cartridge has the same end as that cartridge, and then it has, you know, this here that you want to grease up. You want to make sure that's greased up because that goes on the actual gear and the motor and all that. So I left the screws loose, but basically once you loosen these two screws, once you loosen those, this comes right out. Let me show you. So once you have your screws out, and by the way, when you get the Scarifier cartridge, they give you extra screws in the box, which is good. You don't need them. Here's the trick, right? Let me make sure I'm zoomed out all the way. You're going to take this and slide it this way. They actually give you an opening that allows you to do that, so it can actually remove itself from the gear. So watch this. I'm going to take this and I'm going to move it to the left. Do you see how it actually came out? And now it's able to come out all the way. So now this is out, and all we need to do is install the next one. All right, so this is dirty. You know, I'll be cleaning it at some point. This is the flap, by the way. But as you can see, I've used this. We did that video, that testing video, and I was able to compare the dethatching blade to the Scarifier blade. So now we've got the Scarifier right here. And I'll make sure I'm pulled out as much as I can. So now I'm going to take this. I'm going to slide this in past the screw holes. You see that? Once it's past the screw holes, it allows me now to actually put it into the gear slot right here in the corner. Now, if it doesn't go in right away, just turn it, and then it'll connect to the gears and install 2 screws, and you're done. And now you've got a very strong blade that is going to bring air to your lawn. Going to take out some debris, maybe even some thatch, but these are steel and they are not going anywhere. So I hope that was helpful. All right, guys. So first of all, I hope this video helped you, right? How do you install and uninstall your cartridges, and how do you uninstall and install your tine? Now that's pretty cool because after you're done, you hopefully have more tine on your hands. That's a kind of a joke. But seriously, there's a couple things if I could ask you. Number one, if you can hype our video. If you go down to the comment section and you swipe this way, I believe, if you just swipe the comments, it actually shows you an option for hyping our video. Now, why is hype important? YouTube created it so that we can get our video out to more people. But it takes you guys to actually use hype. So if you can do that, that'd be awesome. Also, give us a like if you can, and subscribe if you want to hang out with us here on the channel. Thanks so much. All right, guys, as promised, if you want to see these 2 cartridges in action, the Dethatcher and the Scarifier in action, well, there's the video image, first of all, in the upper left-hand corner. That's what it looks like. I'll put a link in the video description, but I'm also going to put the word Dethatcher in the upper right-hand corner in a second, so you can actually jump in and watch that video. So here's the word Dethatcher. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll be able to jump in and watch the video. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching our video. I sure hope you found it helpful. And if you did, give us a thumbs up. We'd appreciate that. I'm going to go ahead and put our social media up on top if you want to follow us. And you'll be able to subscribe to our channel by clicking this round Tech Made Easy logo. Guys, thank you so much and have a wonderful day.